Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Open Settings and navigate to System, then Power and Sleep. This area shows current sleep timers for screen and PC. Run Power Troubleshooter from Settings Update and Security Troubleshoot to detect common issues. Note active timers and wake timers listed under Additional Power Settings. Check which devices can wake the PC using PowerCug Device Query Wake ARM to spot peripherals. Review Event Viewer under System Logs for sleep and wake timestamps. Record observed behavior before changing any settings. Set sleep to never temporarily in power options for testing to isolate causes. Reproduce the issue while sleep is disabled to check for abrupt shutdowns. Disable wake via mouse and keyboard in Device Manager power settings to prevent accidental wakes. Update display and chipset drivers from the manufacturer website to resolve driver-induced wakes. Also disable fast startup in control panel power options. Choose what the power buttons do. Restart the PC and test normal sleep behavior after each change. Use PowerCug LastWake and PowerCug WakeTimers to identify software or hardware wake sources. Note the reported process or device name so you can take targeted action. Unplug USB devices and test sleep for 2 full cycles to rule out peripherals. Check scheduled tasks and disable any that have permission to wake the computer overnight. Reset power plans with PowerCug Restore Default Schemes if issues persist after testing. If problems remain, consider BIOS updates and contact manufacturer support for firmware guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.